In this section I am testing a new NyQuil product that has recently come on the market. If you want to see that and you haven't subscribed already, then please subscribe and then you'll see the next video with this new product. So this piece has got a little bit wonky in places, but you know, it is what it is. I'm just out having a bit of fun and recording a video to test some new NyQuil products. So as I said previously, please subscribe if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment. Tell me whether you've used any of the NyQuil products so far and what you think of them, and have you managed to get out in the winter, because the UK has been pretty bad and wet. But anyway, thanks for watching, see you in the next video.